Hi, I'm Stephanie, and welcome to Whispers of the Soul, where angelic guidance, energy healing, and everyday miracles come alive. Each story is a reminder you are held, you are guided, and the magic is already within you. So today I did unplanned Reiki on a dog. One of my clients has a dog who's 12 years old, and for the last 2 years, she has had multiple health issues, and my client has just been expecting her to pass at any time. It's one of those things that you're ready for it, but you're not quite ready for it. And so typically when I work for this client, and I've been there dozens of sessions, I never see the dog. She might be laying in her dog bed or in a different area of the house, but rarely is she with us. And for whatever reason, today she was following us from room to room to room that we worked in, and was just so loving with my client. And her eyes, like she was just like looking up at you, and it felt so human. And I was like, I know you're trying to communicate with us, but I do not understand you right now. I'm so sorry, sweet thing. And so it was just very interesting. And we had mentioned multiple times, my client and I brought up of like, why is her dog following us? Like, why is she in the room with us? So when my client left to go to the kitchen to make a quick lunch for herself, the dog stayed with me and just like looked at me. And I was like, all right, sweet girl, do you want some healing? Like, do you want some love? And so typically when you give Reiki to an animal, they will tell you quite quickly, I want this, I don't want this, leave me alone. They'll walk away from you, essentially, is always what has happened in the past with animals that I've given Reiki to. And so I was like, I'm going to try it. And so I started giving Reiki, and with Reiki, you just, you call in the energy to flow through you. You are a clear channel, clear vessel, and the energy just comes directly from source and goes through you and then comes out into the animal, human, house, whomever you are asking the energy to flow into. They accept it on their higher level plane. It can't harm you. It is just for the highest and best of, in this case, this beautiful dog. I'm working on her and I'm giving Reiki, and she stays, and she not only stays, she takes her paw and she like puts it over my hand, and she's making direct eye contact with me this entire time. And I'm giving her Reiki and it's going so well. It's like my hands immediately got hot. Sometimes it takes them a bit to heat up and get warm energy flowing through it, but immediately it was so hot. And then she started twisting her body to move my hands. And so then I moved my hands where she was trying to twist me. And it was just the neatest experience. And so I was there maybe 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and my client came back, finished up her closet, and then we shifted up into her bathroom. And again, the same thing, the dog was hovering over my client. She was putting her head back on her. She was really close to her. And my client's going through a lot as well. So it's quite possible that she just felt what my client was feeling and wanted to give the love as well. We know that dogs are wonderful like that. Then she looked at me, and again, I felt the need to sit down and give her more Reiki. And so my client was going through old product, and I couldn't really help her until she trashed everything away. So I just knelt on the ground, and my client is very aware of my Reiki being an energetic background. And so I just started giving Reiki to her, and the same thing happened. She made direct eye contact with me. I just felt such wisdom and peace and joy in her, but there was also just a bit of fear. Like I felt like she was scared, and I couldn't tell if she was in pain or what, again, she was trying to tell me, but like direct eye contact into this beautiful dog soul as I gave her Reiki. And again, her paw gave over my forearm and held me there. And she twisted and she started making some noises, like she was breathing out very heavily, like she was releasing energy that was no longer meant for her highest and her best, and then grumbles back in the back of her throat. I'm sitting there giving her Reiki as my client goes through her whatnot. And it was so beautiful. And she was so accepting of the energetic gift that we were able to give to her. And I have no idea if it helped. I don't know if it was necessary during this time. What I do know is that she accepted it, which in itself is just beautiful and extremely rare for pets. And I felt so connected to this dog that I've never, ever had this type of connection before. It was so beautiful, and I wanted to share it. And so if you are Reiki trained and or want to become, do a quick Google search and see, and it can work on your pets. It can work on loved ones of 2 legs or 4 legs. And it's just a beautiful gift to be able to give to an animal in need. And so I wanted to share that with you, and I hope that you enjoyed that story, and we'll see which other ones come about. But that was an unexpected just Reiki healing that I was able to give to her sweet little girl. So blessings to you, Solstice Living, Stephanie, and I will talk to you later.